beautiful, spacious living area. As I enter the kitchenette area, I can see a nice space. The master bedroom, wow, this is really spacious. And hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ranjita and today we are here at one of the L&T properties, that is L&T Elara Celestia, which is located on the Bellary Road, Sahakar Nagar, Batranpura, Bengaluru for a sample flat tour. However, we will have a look at the sample flat, but before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom grade price. Unlike other current listing companies whereby you do an inquiry, your number will be passed on to multiple brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. But Housey is one such platform where listing is done directly by the developers, so you can book your dream home directly with the developers through Housey. Talking about the project overview of L&T Elara Celestia, it is constructed in land parcel of 10 acres and consisting of 3 towers with 2 basement, ground plus 13 floors, available in 3 and 4 BHK variants. So this is the miniature or the model of the properties by L&T, that is L&T Elara Celestia. And right now we are looking at the Bellary Road, that's right here, and right opposite to that there is 3 acres of land where the commercial space will be constructed, and that leads us to 3 towers of the L&T Elara Celestia. This is the third tower, this is the second, and this is the first. And like we can already see, there is basketball court and there is play court. There is 1 swimming pool on the ground level and 2 swimming pools on the second tower terrace, and also there is kids play area, walking area, and the space is quite spacious. And all the 4 BHK flats are on the GKVK visibility, so all the 4 BHKs that you buy will have a very good greenery vision, so they're offering much more luxurious amenities. Talking about the connectivities to this project, you can have a look at the neighborhood of this particular project, and the metro station that is nearby is the Kodigehalli metro station, and also Manipal Hospital is just 10 minutes away from this project. Manyata Tech Park is also just 10 minutes drive from this project, and also we have Phoenix Mall of Asia right behind this project. Now let's have a look at the sample flat. Right now I'm standing outside 4 BHK sample flat of L&T Elara Celestia by L&T, which is built in 2,800 square feet. So this is located at Sahakar Nagar, Batranpura, Bellary Road, which is in Bengaluru. Come, let us have a look at the sample flat. As soon as I enter, we have quite spacious and nice foyer area right here, and also as we continue to go forward, we head towards a very beautiful, spacious living area. As you can see, you can easily accommodate your good big size sofa here, and right opposite to the sofa space I have TV unit space as well. And even after accommodating the sofa, I'm easily able to walk around the living area. And also there's an attached balcony to the living area. Now let's have a look at the balcony space. As soon as I enter the balcony space, the first thing that we witness is the wooden textured flooring right here, and this is a very spacious and nice balcony, I must say. As you can see, I'm easily able to walk around the balcony, and this is very apt for your evening chill time. So let's have a look at the rest of the sample flat. So as we continue to go further, we have the dining area right here, right at the exit of the balcony area, and this is also quite spacious. As you can see, they have accommodated a 6-seater dining table, and even after that I'm easily able to walk around the bed, and this looks more of like an open kitchen area right here, which is facing towards the dining area. And as soon as I enter the kitchenette area, I can see a nice space right here, and also I have the refrigerator space, and there's a slab right here which you can mimic as an open kitchen, and also there is good space for slabs and crockery units. And this comes with an attached utility space right here. The sink space, oven space, and the utility space is also quite spacious. So this was the kitchenette area, and like I said you, it's a 4 BHK sample flat. Let's go have a look at the bedrooms. As we continue to go further, all the 5 bedrooms are in the same lane, I must say, and also there's a common washroom right here with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. So with the exit of that, you can see behind me all 5 bedrooms. Let's have a look at the bedroom number 1. As we continue to go, the entry of the bedroom number 1 starts with the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings, and also there is a good bifurcation of shower space and the washroom space. And this leads us to the very beautiful bedroom number 1, quite spacious and nice. And like you can see, you have the bed space right here which can easily accommodate your king size or queen size bed, and alongside the bed space you have the lamp space, and right opposite to that there is wardrobe space, and right next to that I have the TV unit space, and I also have a windows right here, and those are also like slidable windows. As you can see, you can use it as a balcony, or it's the slidable windows where you can step outside as well. So now let's have a look at the bedroom number 2. So as we continue to go forward, let's have a look at the bedroom number 2. So this is located in the Bellary Road and right opposite to the GKBK space. So you can imagine the amount of greenery that this property has to offer you. So as we continue to go further, this is the bedroom number 2. They have designed it more of like a guest room and a lounging space, but you can design it as per your need. There's a good amount of space for your queen size bed at least, and there is good space for anything you want to keep it as a decorative piece, or you can use it as a wardrobe space as well. And also it has slidable windows right here. Even these are the elongated windows. So this also has the windows, which is a long window, and I can even step out, and it's a small space but a very good ventilated space, I must say. So this was the bedroom number 2. Now let's have a look at the bedroom number 3. So as we continue to go to the next bedroom, there's an attached washroom also that's right here for the bedroom number 2 with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. So with that exit, now let's have a look at the bedroom number 3. So before entering the bedroom number 3, I want to give you an information which will be very useful. That is, all 4 BHKs right here in this property is facing the greenery of GKBK. So there is no 4 BHKs inside the property. So now let's have a look at the third bedroom. As soon as we enter, we have a very beautiful and spacious third bedroom, and this comes with an attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. And like every other washroom, there is the proportion dissection between the shower room and the washroom. So as we continue to go here, this is the third bedroom. Very nicely designed, I must say, and you can customize or you can even take inspiration from this design. So there's good amount of space for your king size or queen size bed, and alongside the bed there is bedside lamp space, and even after accommodating that, there is good amount of space around it. And right next to that I have the wardrobe space. So this was the tour of bedroom number 3. Now let's have a look at the bedroom number 4, that is the last bedroom, master bedroom. So as we continue to go further, this leads us to the much awaited bedroom, that is the master bedroom. But before showing you the master bedroom, let me tell you what actually House C does for us. In House C, we give you sample flat tours. In House C, we give you exact location tours. In House C, we give you pros and cons of each project. In House C, we give you 360-degree virtual tour of the project. And in House C, we give you full pricing inclusive of EMI and down payment. If after all this, you would like to book your free site visit, then go click on the link mentioned in the description box below so that you can book your free site visit now. So this is the final bedroom, that is the master bedroom. As soon as we enter, it's all of our favorite walk-in closet space that's right here, and right opposite to that I have an attached washroom that to the master bedroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. And the washrooms here, all the washrooms of all the bedrooms are quite spacious and nice. So that leads us to the entry of the master bedroom. Wow, this is really spacious and beautiful because it has good amount of space where you can design it as per your needs without worrying about the space. And also there is good amount of bed space for your king size, queen size bed, and alongside the bed space there is lamp side space. And wait, after accommodating your bed and the lamp space, there is good amount of space for me to walk around the bed. And also you can accommodate your couch right here because it is quite spacious. And right next to that I have my TV unit space. And also there's an attached balcony to the master bedroom. So let's have a look at the balcony. So as soon as I enter the balcony, I can witness the wooden textured flooring, and also the balcony is quite spacious and nice. This is very apt for your morning coffees and evening chais. So guys, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of very famous properties of L&T, that is L&T Elara Celestia, which is located in Byatranpura, Sahakar Nagar, Bellary Road, Bengaluru. And if you would like to book your free site visit, first register yourselves on housey.com, and also you can download the e-brochure of this project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below. And before going, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more details and project updates.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.